Tipper vehicle do's and don'ts while tipping. Let's start with the do's. Always make sure that the tipper vehicle is parked on level ground before tipping. This will prevent the vehicle from tipping over. Ensure that parking brake of the vehicle is in on position. Make sure that the system air pressure in the vehicle is 8 to 10 bars before lifting the tipper body. If the air pressure is insufficient, start the vehicle and build the pressure. Before lifting, make sure that the vehicle's hydraulic system is working correctly. This will ensure that the tipping operation is smooth and safe. Oil level in the hydraulic tank should match with the red dot mark when the body is in rest position. While lifting the tipper body, RPM should be less than 1300 RPM. Make sure that the tipping area is free from any overhead obstacles like trees or power lines. This will prevent the tipper body from hitting anything and getting damaged. After lowering the tipper body and before moving the vehicle, put the PTO switch in off position. Make sure that the mechanical lock pin is removed from the tail door locking mechanism while lifting the tipper body. If it is not open, get it corrected. Always follow the instructions given on the sticker. Now, let's move on to the don'ts. Do not try to lift the tipper body without proper training or supervision. It's important to know safe tipping procedures to avoid accidents. Never overload the vehicle beyond its capacity. And do not lift the tipper body in overloaded condition. It can lead to instability, causing the vehicle to tip over. Do not load the material unevenly. Do not attempt to lift the vehicle on uneven or sloping ground. This can cause the vehicle to tip over and the load may spill out, leading to accidents. Do not lift the tipper body when the tractor is not aligned with the trailer. Never attempt to lift the vehicle while it's moving. This can cause the vehicle to lose balance and tip over. Do not stand and perform any rework operation when the tipper body is in a lifted position without supporting the tipper body. Remember to always prioritize safety and follow these guidelines to ensure a smooth and safe tipping operation. Visit nearest Eicher authorized service center or call Eicher on-road service for any further assistance. Eicher wishes everyone a safe and happy driving. Thank you for watching.